some simple steps for all of us, some gospel thoughts for today. Excuse my voice again. Still recovering. Some simple steps. First, know who you're talking to. The blind man knew who he was talking, who he was passing by. He knew who he was talking to. Second, make your voice heard. Shout it out. Have pity on me. Third, know what you want. Have pity on me. Know who's passing by. Know who you're talking to. Make your voice heard. And then when Jesus asked him, what do you want? He wants to see. Lord, I want to see. Know what you want. And once you're healed, follow the Lord. Know what happens after you get what you want. Sometimes we just are asking the Lord for so many things, but we don't know He's already passing by. We're not making our voice heard. We're not clear about what we want. That will actually help us, because once He helps us, then we follow Him. We have to have all of those things. Some gospel thoughts for today.